Most people get this wrong when searching for gaming apps that pay real money. They expect instant income, but the truth is very different. Some apps genuinely reward you, while others only give small bonuses or gift cards for your time. In this video you'll discover 5 gaming apps that are still relevant in 2026, how they actually pay, and what kind of earnings you can realistically expect. By the end, you'll know which apps are worth your time, and which ones are just entertainment disguised as earning platforms. Let's start with the first app, Mistplay. Mistplay is one of the most well-known reward gaming apps on Android. You earn points by playing mobile games. Those points can be exchanged for gift cards. It is consistent, but here's the problem. Earnings are slow, so it works best if you already enjoy gaming casually. Now the second app is Rewarded Play. This app is similar to Mistplay, but focuses more on casual puzzle and card games. Users like Alex often use it during free time to stack small rewards. But here's the catch. It is not available in every country, so accessibility can be limited. The third app is Swagbucks Live and related Swagbucks games. This platform mixes quizzes, games, and surveys. It is more flexible, but rewards depend heavily on activity level. The more you engage, the more you can earn. Now here is where it gets interesting. Swagbucks has multiple earning methods, so gaming is just one part of a larger system. Fourth is Cash Giraffe. This app rewards you for playing and trying new games. It is simple to use, but payouts are small. The advantage is that it runs in the background while you explore new games. However, you should not expect high earnings from it. Now, the fifth app is Lucktastic Style Scratch and Win apps, though they are more luck-based than skill-based. These apps offer sweepstakes and random rewards. But here's the truth. They are highly unpredictable, so they are better for entertainment than income. Now, let's break down the reality. None of these apps will replace a job. That is the biggest mistake people make. They think gaming equals income, but in reality, it is micro rewards for time spent. So what actually works best in 2026? If you want consistency, Mistplay and Rewarded Play are the most stable. If you want variety, Swagbucks offers more earning methods. If you want casual passive fun, Cash Giraffe is simple and low effort. The key is to treat these apps as side entertainment, not financial tools. So here is the final takeaway. These gaming apps can pay real rewards, but the value is small, and consistency matters more than luck or hype. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you've tried, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of earning apps in 2026.